morning, students. I hope you are all well. And on this thought, let's start with this class. Today we are going to talk about numbers. As we all know how to count, how to understand what a number is, how to recognize a number. As if I write this, you all know it's 5, and we all know that the positions of number in any digit, what it is, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. We all know these positions in a specific number. If we talk about a number, let's take a number 597. This number is comprised of 3 digits. Those digits are 5, 9 and 7. If I have to ask what is the position of 9 in 597, you all will say the position of 9 is tens, the position of 7 is ones, and the position of 5 is hundreds. If there was a number before 5, let's just say for example 1, then the position of 1 would be thousands and so on. Today we are going to talk about how to recognize which number is larger than the other, or greater, or among the given numbers, which number is the greatest. Let's take an example. If I have to write 5 and 9 and you have to tell which number is greater, you all will say that 9 is greater than 5. What if I say 73 and 56? Which number is greater? 73. We all know that. Let's understand this concept a much better way. The question is, if I write 597, again number is going to repeat itself, 795, 593, and let's just take one more number, 847. So now if we have to recognize the greatest number, we will have to look to the number that are in the position of 100. जो 100 की प्लेस पे हैं, हम केवल उनको देखेंगे. तो अगर हम 100 की प्लेस पे देखें तो हमारे पास कौन कौन से नंबर आ जाते हैं? सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा हुआ? 8. 8 is the greatest. Then if we have to write all the numbers from greatest to smallest, what we will do? First, we recognize that 847 is the greatest. Now we will write 847. The next value will be 7. The number with the 7 in its 100th place. It will be 795. Now there is a problem. The problem is the two numbers, those are left on the board, both have 100 as 100 position as 5, or we can say 5 is on the 100 position in both of those numbers. So how will we know if the first or the second one is greater than the other? So if in the hundred place, we can do it like this: 100, tens, ones, and we will divide the number. In the hundred place, if we write this number, the number is 5, in tens is 9, and is ones is 7, and the other number is 5, 9, and 3. Okay, I hope you are getting this. बहुत आसान है, कोई बहुत परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं सब समझा रहा हूं. जब 100 में नंबर बराबर है, if the number in 100 is equal, we don't see that, we will not see that, we will ignore that. अब यहाँ पे टेंस में भी जो नंबर है, those are equal, we will again ignore them. But in ones, numbers are not equal, and if they are not equal, they will be either smaller or greater. I hope you are getting this. So the 7 is greater than 3. Understood? 7 is greater than 3. So the 597 is greater than 593. This is a way to sort numbers from greater to smaller. Let's take another example. Now, if we divide all these numbers into tens, ones, hundreds, we will see that each number on the 100th position is same. That is, all the numbers are same in 100th position. All the 100 position numbers are 9. So we will not see them. If we come to the next on the tens numbers, the greatest number is 6. So the number with 6 in the middle, that is 9, 6, 3 is the greatest of them all. And if you go on further, after 6, which number is the highest? 4. Am I right? 4 is higher or greater than 3 and 3. So the number 9, 4, 7 is the greatest number among these 3 numbers. Now we have eliminated one more number. Now we are left with 2, and those two numbers are 932 and 931. Now 3 on the tens place are equal, so we will not see them. We will see what? The numbers on the ones position, and 2 is greater than 1. So the greater number will be 9, 3, 2. And the smallest number will be 9, 3 and 1. I hope you are understanding this. If there is any confusion, you can write those questions in comment and I will answer them. Let's take one more example, but with numbers in thousands. That is 5, 0, 9, 7. What will it be? It is 5097. Am I right? Should we carry forward? Let's see. The next number is 5, 3, 6, 3. Let's see the another one. 3, 2, 0, 6. If we have to find out the greatest number among these three. We will see that on the thousand position, we will always start from where? From our left hand side. From our left hand side. Repeat after me. We will always start, if we have to see greatest number is from left hand side. And if we go from the left hand side, 5, 5 and 3. So which number is the greatest? This number is most definitely not, because this is the smallest one. So we are left with 5 and 5. Now we will see the next number, that is 0 and 3. Which is the greater? 0 or 3? Which is the greater? 3 1 is. That's why 5, 3, 6, 3 is the greatest of these three numbers. Next will be 5, 0, 9, 7. And the number after that will be 3, 2, 0, 6. I hope you are getting this. Let's continue to our next exercise. If you are given 4 digits, that is 0, 9, 6 and 2. You are provided 4 digits, 0, 9, 6 and 2. And you have to make 2 numbers from it. One should be the greatest and other should be the smallest number. Okay, let's see how. First we will make a table like this. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Why 1000? Because we have 4 digits here. And we have to make smallest and greatest by using all 4 of the digits. I hope you are getting this. We are using all 4 of the digits. So, what is, if we have to make greatest, which digit is the greatest of them all? 9. Now, which is the smaller than 9? 6. After this, 2. And after this, 0. So the greatest number that could be formed from these 4 digits will be 9, 6, 2, 0. Now let's make the smallest number. So now from the smallest, I told you earlier that we have to start from left hand side. So from 1000 we will find out which number is the smallest. Which is the smallest? 0 or 2? 0 is the smallest number. So we will write 0. After this, which is the smallest among these 3? Come on. 2. Then 6. Then 9. I hope you are getting this. It's very easy. You just have to remember which number comes first and which comes after. The number that comes after is always greater than the number that comes first. For example, 1 is smaller than 2 and 2 comes after 1. I hope you are getting this. Should we continue? Let's see. Now I am going to give you a question and I'll wait for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. And let's see who does it faster. The 4 digits are 5, 7, 3, 1. Now you have to make a 4-digit number one greater and one smallest. One greatest number and the other should be the smallest. So for greatest and for smallest. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. I hope everyone is solving this question. If you are having any confusion, let's see how to do this. I told you earlier, we always have to start from the left hand side. So first comes the 1000 and 1000. Which number among these four are the greatest? Which is the greatest? 7 is. Which number comes after 7? 5. Then 3. Then 1. 7531 is the greatest number that can be formed from these 4 digits. Let's see the smallest one. So which number is the smallest? 1. Now which is the smallest? 3. Now 5 and then 7. 1357 is the smallest number that can be formed from these 4 digits. I hope you are getting this. Let's give you some homework. You have to solve these 2 questions and leave the answer in the comment section. I will be answering them there. The question is, you have to find the greatest number, only the greatest. You don't have to make the list of it. Sorry. You don't have to make the list of it. You just have to tell me which number among these 4 is the greatest. 73, 54, 32 and 91. The next question is 504, 400, 497 and 323. Now I am going to give you 4 digits and you have to make one greatest and one smallest from them. The 4-digit number is 5, 3, 4, 2. From this number, you have to make both the greatest and the smallest. 4, 0, 2, 1. This is question 1. This is 2. You have to make greatest and smallest from these 4 digits, and you have to find the greatest number from the above 2 questions, from this one and this one. I hope you are getting this. You are safe, and please be at home. If you have any emergency, only then leave the home, and while leaving, please wear a mask. Thank you.